So now let's take a look at creating an array of structs. So I have my student struct here, and I'm going to create an array. The array name will be students. It will have 3 cells, and the type of the array will be student. So if you look over in memory, the name of the array is students, and each of the 3 cells has an ID and a GPA. And to access those cells, we have to state the name or the position in the array we want. So student sub 0, and then the dot operator, and access the ID member. So this is accessing this piece of memory right here. It's student sub 0 dot ID. This piece of information over here would be student sub 2 dot ID. So you have to access the cell in the array first, and then use the dot operator, and then specify the member. So if I step through this, you can see 1000 was placed in ID, and then 3.45, and then 101 or 1001, 2.99, 1002, 4.15, and now we are going to loop through this array and print out each member. So again, when I'm looping, I have to give it the cell name first, right? The name of the array and the location I want. And then use the dot operator, and then the member name. So the first time through, I will be 0, you can see down here. And so it will print out the contents in cell I. And then it'll go up, I will be 1, and it prints out the contents in cell 1 and in cell 2. So again, you can't just say print student sub I and have it print out the ID and the GPA. You have to specify each member separately in order to print those memory locations.